Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are playing with our Stampin' blends. I have three different colors. I have Coastal Cabana, Poppy Parade, and then I have what color is that one? A light starry sky from way back a long time ago. So I've gone ahead and put some alcohol on there, sprayed it, and it's on my glass mat. And now I'm just giving it a blow to kind of blend it all together. And then I put the basic white thick on there, and look at that. Now I let it dry, and I'm going to use some Memento ink and the zinnias from the Simply Zinnias. I'm going to put that right down there. And look at how pretty that is. I just love that. So I'm going to cut it down just a little bit because that needs to be just a little bit shorter so it can sit with a little bit of a background and then on the base as well. So very pretty. I love the way everything blends together. And I'm just looking here to see what the best part to cut that off is. And so that is cut down. I believe it's 1/4 of an inch off of each side. Then I'm going to take the Thank You So Much from that same stamp set, and I want to use the Modern Oval Punch, but I don't have that piece that's big enough, so I'm getting a piece that I'm going to use as my frame. And this takes a little bit of lining up here, and I didn't glue it down first because this is also the base of my card, and you'll see shortly. So I get that lined up and punch it out. And now I'm going to set that off to the side for later. Just going to put some Stampin' Seal on here. I'm going to put it on both sides. And then I'm going to take a piece of white ribbon, and it's going to just cut here, and then I'm going to cut another piece there. And I'm going to stick those two together. So the ribbon will be inside, and then the Modern Oval Punch will have a top and a bottom. And then this is going to go around my card. So I'm going to scoot it over. There we go. Nope, there we go. So I'm going to wrap that around, and I want that to be down there. So I'm going to hold it in place with some Stampin' Seal, and then I'm going to cut the extra pieces off because we don't need extra ribbon bulking up the card. Perfect. Now I'm going to just take some Stampin' Seal and adhere that to the Coastal Cabana. And look at the difference just that little bit gives it. So I still don't have a card base, but I'm going to adhere that. Let's see how I can use that piece, and no one will ever be the wiser. And so I've got that card here, and it is done. I'm just going to add a little bit of bling to it. So let's see which one I want to do. And I found these little guys here, and they have all the nice colors, so I'm going to grab them. And in the Poppy Parade section, I'm going to put down a real red, and then in the Coastal Cabana, I've got a kind of balmy blue, and then in the purple, it's white, but it turns like an iridescent. So I love this card, but then I wanted to color it in a little, and look at that. I colored that in. I hope you like it. Let me know, did you like card 1 or 2? And I hope you have a wonderful day. All right, beauties. I'll talk to you later. Bye.